Hey guys, it's Kelly and I'm a full-time reseller on sites like Poshmark and ThredUp. My store and Instagram are both rebel_rose_co. So today I'm just gonna do a quick thrift haul. I just pulled some of the best stuff from my last couple of hauls because I don't want to show like every item. I'm wearing my ThredUp thrifted shirt. It's just like a shirt and they put like a thrifted patch on it, which I thought was pretty cool. So yeah, let's just get started. Obviously not everything I sell is like this, like good or whatever. These are just like the best items. So this first one is, this is my first time finding this brand. It's Blumarine. I think that's how you say it. Made in Italy. It's 100% wool. It's like this tan sheath dress, and in the back it has these like fake pearls making a bee. Super high quality, really good condition. These can retail for a lot of money, so I listed it pretty high, so hopefully that does good. So these I actually have not listed yet. Jill Sander. This is my first time finding this brand too. I cannot find a size on this anywhere. This is the tag. It's 100% wool. It feels like polyester though. And it's made in Italy, but I can't find the size anywhere. So I might have to just measure it, but it's just a pair of black like dress pants. So I don't know. Okay, this next one I was excited. 3.1 Phillip Lim. The Phillip Lim is like white on white, so I'm not sure if you can see. But it's a white like pea coat, and it's super cool. It has these buttons that are like studded kind of, and it has this like tie thing at the sleeve. It's in really good condition. Super excited to list this. These were $5 each. They're cabbie coats, and I actually have another one over there, but the actually resale value is pretty high, like $80 on some of these. This is 80% wool. It's like a herringbone print, and it's long pea coat. Yeah, it's like a peach color, and this one is really interesting. It's like a tapestry, vintage looking. I don't even know how to describe this. It's gold. It's gold. So yeah, we'll see how those do. Okay. Next is a Newth Tags J. Jill maxi dress. It's beaded and embroidered. This is only a couple bucks. J. Jill doesn't have like a super high resale value, but it's a dress. It's Newth Tags, so I'm excited to see how that does. Okay, this I actually had listed for like 2 years. I pulled it to re-photograph it. I am so shocked this hasn't sold. Okay, this is JayGodfrey, and it's this like blue peplum kind of like top, and it has beading, sequins, rhinestones, and ribbons on the shoulder. It's in super good condition. Some of their stuff retails for like a lot of money, and it's had barely any interest. I keep relisting it. So I pulled it from my inventory to take new pictures. Yeah, when I first found this, it was like literally like 2 years ago. I thought it was gonna sell super fast, and I even had it priced pretty low. So let's hope that that sells. Okay, this next item, I did not know that Victoria's Secret had a country line. I've never seen this before. It's just like a blue velvet pajama top. It was only $1. It has like sort of embroidery here. But yeah, I didn't know that Victoria's Secret had a country line. This doesn't look very country. I don't know. We'll see how it does. Comps weren't that great. Okay, this is St. John. I actually already hauled this in. I had posted some videos where I had opened bags of mystery clothes that I purchased on Facebook Marketplace, and this was in there. I ended up sending it into ThredUp because I have never sold St. John. I've never sold St. John on Poshmark. I've listed it, but it's never sold, so I sent it into ThredUp and they rejected it. But it's 100% cashmere, and there's the tag. But anyway, if you haven't seen my videos where I bought mystery bags off Facebook Marketplace for like around $5 each, There's some really good stuff in there. Some Lululemon that's already sold. I found a lot of good stuff in there. The first video that I posted, so not my most recent, but the like least recent of those, had the best stuff in it. And if you guys haven't already watched, I have I'll have a vlog up by the time I do this. And I have what sold video and an unboxing of a ThredUp 50-pound DIY denim. So if you guys watched any of those, that would really mean a lot to me. And if you guys liked this video and commented and subscribed, it would mean a lot to me too. Okay, so I'd never heard of this. Giorgiolini, not Giorgio Armani, Giorgiolini of Italy. It's 100% merino wool made in Italy. Comps were not actually that great for this. It was $1, so I just grabbed it. Because I figured even if I could make like 30 bucks. But yeah, comps were like kind of around the 20-30 area. So I don't know. I'm going to list it high and see how it does. Okay, this is Gilly, which is sold at Anthropologie and ModCloth. But the tag is from like a little boutique. But it's this black velvet dress. It has bell sleeves. Perfect for the holidays. And the stock photo is really cute, so I was happy to be able to have that. Okay. This, I never found this brand before either. Black Halo. Here's the tag. This is 100% silk. The top is like satin, and then it has this cool, like, unique tie at the side. And it's in really good condition. There's a tiny spot, but it's under this. And this is supposed to be tied. I untied it to see it's just this, like, loose thing that you like tie around, but yeah, it's 100% silk, retailed for a couple $100. Excited about that. This is Isabel Marant Etoli, I think, made in Italy. It's 100% wool, if I'm remembering correctly. I'm pretty sure retailed for about $400. It's like a cable knit sweater, really good condition, less than $10, so super happy with that. Okay, this was my first time finding this brand, Prairie Underground. And it made me think, so this is like organic cotton, I think. It's like a tank top or like a cap sleeve shirt, but it made me think, because this looks like nothing special, and it just reminded me, like, before I knew all these brands reselling, I probably passed by so much good stuff because I was like, oh, let me just find the cute trendy stuff, and it's all like Forever 21, which there's nothing wrong with selling that. But if I had just like learned brands, I would have found a lot of good stuff that I didn't think was like cute or whatever. I mean, this is actually pretty cute, but I would have passed by it like a long time ago. Okay, this actually sold already. I only had it listed for one day. It's Ibex. It's 100% wool. It doesn't feel like wool though. It's like these like base layer outdoorsy things. It's like smart wool. I've sold smart wool before. This was my first time finding Ibex. And I hope I find it again because it sold like the same day I listed it. Okay, let's see. Oh yeah, this is Bryn Walker, made in the USA. It's, I thought it was a dress, but it's actually kind of short in the front. It's like, I looked up stock photos. It's like a really long tunic top. Or if you're short, you can wear this as a dress. But I think it was like organic cotton. It's in really good condition. I've only sold, I think, one piece of Bryn Walker. Okay, this, I actually already hauled this too. It's a 100% linen Theory dress. It's really cute. There's the tag, Theory, 100% linen. And I got this in those Facebook mystery bags. So you guys should go watch those videos. There was some really good stuff. And you should always check out Facebook Marketplace. Okay, these are just Victoria's Secret, but they're so cute. There's the tag. They're like a mauve pink satin and lace pajama pants. I just thought they were really cute. Okay, only a few more items. This is just like a really quick haul. This is an ASOS dress, and it's sequined. There's flower sequins. The straps were kind of confusing to me, but it has like a really cute stock photo. It like shimmers in the light. Super cute. Yeah, and that was only a couple bucks too. Okay, Trina Turk, Los Angeles. It's like a tweed metallic fringe skirt. Yeah, it's in really good condition. Okay, this next dress, I was shocked when I looked it up. Okay, the brand is Jonathan Simkai. Hope you can see that. And it's, okay, so it's, let me see what it's made out of before I get into it. So I thought this was nothing special because it's not wool or anything. It's like polyester and like spandex, and it has this, it's like a gray pinstripe dress. But if you look, it looks like wool, how it's like fuzzy. Can you guys see how it's like fuzzy? I don't know, but these dresses can retail for like $700. It was only a couple bucks. I didn't even look up comps because I was like in a hurry and it was like $3. So I was like, whatever, it's new tags. I'll like at least make 20. But then when I looked up comps, I was shocked because it's like, I don't know. It doesn't look like it's supposed to be like this. And it's not wool or anything. It's just like, it feels like cotton. I think it said it's like rayon and polyester. I don't know. That dress is confusing to me, but it's worth a lot. Okay. Pretty much to the end already. Sorry if I'm talking fast. I haven't filmed a video in a little while. Just wanted to get this haul out so I could inventory these items. So this is Joan and David, made in Italy. It's a really pretty coat. Wool. It has shoulder pads. I think it might be vintage. I'm not sure. But, you know when you look at the tag, like even though if it didn't say made in Italy, it still looks really nice. I don't know, comps weren't that great. I also have this, is Joan and David, made in Italy. It's like a boucle, like tweed jacket, and I also have a matching skirt. So I hope these do okay. They didn't seem to be that great of comps, but we'll see. So, and then I have some Madewell jeans that I bought for myself that didn't fit me, which sucks. I think I have another Ibex. Oh no, it's Icebreaker, which is another one of those like wool that doesn't feel like wool, base layer like jacket things for like outdoor like activities. So if you watched all the way through, I really appreciate it. Sorry this video is kind of rushed. Please like and comment and subscribe if you want to. Okay, thanks. Bye.